This video illustrates frames per second, commonly abbreviated as FPS, and how it changes playback. You'll see the difference between 30, 15, 10, 7.5, 5, and 1 FPS. Here's the same scene at different FPS rates, a real-life example of the actual differences. 30 FPS is real-time recording. You may expect that capturing 30 FPS is best. In reality, the naked eye cannot see the difference between 15 and 30 FPS. So 15 FPS is called virtual real-time. Setting all cameras at 30 FPS stores a lot of data, but may not give you any real benefit. Looking at the playback, we see that 30, 15, and 10 FPS have a minimal amount of difference. 7.5 is only slightly less fluid than 10. You can see the choppiness on 5 and 1 FPS most noticeably. You can save a lot of hard drive storage space by accurately setting your FPS to match what you're trying to capture. Does the scene have fast-moving objects? Are you trying to track sleight of hand, or just normal people moving at normal speeds? With ever-focused DVRs, you could set the FPS for each camera to match the application. For example, in a location like a driveway, you may want to have a higher FPS rate to capture fast-moving cars. In other applications, like a lobby or a warehouse, you may be able to use only 5 FPS. While looking at this video, we have seen playback of a football in the air, cars driving by, and people walking. We encourage you to consider your application and set your FPS accordingly.